I hate to tell her bye. Think she out of my leash, she might just leave me. I cannot let it fly. No one else in my sight. Tell them hoes goodbye. Ain't got time to kick it, baby, with your man tonight.
Welcome to the vlog. I am teneseee. Follow me on the gram, man. Stop having fun with no funds, bro.
Show them the shirt. Show them the shirt.
You should.
Yeah, tight shit, tight shit. Good morning, y'all. Y'all, it is currently 9:56 or 9:57 on Thursday. Appetizers. Is this different?
Everything.
Here we go. You gonna wait for other person?
Yes, she's on her way. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, my phone.
You've been doing great, right? Yeah, why we just went in the liquor store next to the restaurant, right? And they had these little baggies like already put together, and it's juice and then 3 shooters and a straw, like, and it was only $8. Only $8. The juice itself is $4. So like, this was so smart. That was so smart of them.
That's that shit that made him.
We're still walking. Oh my gosh, did I know you? Where's my ride? Bring your ass. Y'all, I was just racing, right? Mind y'all, she cheated. She was already running before she said go. So I'm running. I catch up with her, right? Boom. As soon as we hit our end mark, I said, ooh, fell. It was a dip in the ground. I busted my ass. Like I full out dove, y'all. I busted my shit. Great. But I caught up with her, so that's all that matters.
Right.
Y'all finna go out, so y'all can watch me do a little, like, get ready with me. Let love heal us all. I got my edges, so. Hope y'all can hear me. Okay, but yeah, I'm irritated because I'm going to this wedding tomorrow, right? And my hair is not done. Like, this is a whole old hairstyle. I've been for like 2 weeks now. You know, large knotless, jumbo knotless, whatever. This is large. Don't last that long. And my edges are starting to look crusty. I need to wash them. Like, this is not how I was trying to be looking. Nails look terrible. I'm not even gonna show y'all that. Don't do it. First of all, y'all look, I forgot my tripod, so this is what we gotta do.
It's hard to ride up there.